Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the included sample packs for free. So first of all, you need to go to the website music-prod.com, which is our website here. And when you're here on the main site, you will go to the menu here and to the sample packs. And from here you can see all of the sample packs that we have right now. And as you can see, all of them cost $39. All right, so you just go ahead and choose whatever sample pack you want. You can choose all of them, you can choose one, or you can choose several. So let's say that I want this sample pack here, One Shot Deep House One Shots. You can listen to the demo here, like that. You can also see how you're managing the one-shot samples in Logic Pro 10 in this video here. So let's say that we want this sample pack here. So if you click here, we'll get a little cart here. So as you can see, it says paid course, but it's actually a sample pack. So you can see here, it's priced like that because we have VAT in Sweden. But to get this for free, you just go to add coupon here and you type music-prod-free. Just click on apply here. And as you can see, it will get a discount and it will be for free. So here you just enter your email address like that, and then just agree to the terms here and just click on enroll in course as it says here. So let's do that. I'm going to go for, let's see here, hello@music-prod.com. All right, I agree. Enroll in course. Thanks for enrolling this course. All right, continue to course, and this is where the sample pack is. So now you can see here sample pack download. Let's click on download here, and here you can see the .zip file. So if you click on it here, it will start to download. So now the sample pack is downloading, and this is how you do with all of the sample packs. So if you want to get all of the other sample packs as well, you can just go back here, basically. Click on sample packs, and you can redo for the same thing for all of the others here as well. Add coupon, apply, and now you just click on that one here. And it says, thanks for purchasing the sample pack. Continue to download. And here we have the .zip file for the sample pack. So that is how you do it. You just go to the website music-prod.com, and there will find all of the sample packs.